Welcome to our channel. Activating your Discovery Plus subscription is simple and lets you stream all your favorite shows immediately. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Discovery Plus website, or download the Discovery Plus app on your streaming device, smartphone, or tablet. Step 2. Click on Start Your Free Trial or Sign Up if you're a new user. If you already have an account, click Sign In and enter your credentials. Step 3. Choose your subscription plan. Discovery Plus offers both ad-supported and ad-free options, so select the one that suits your preferences. Step 4. Enter your email address and create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password is strong and unique. Step 5. Provide your payment information to complete the subscription. Even if you're starting with a free trial, you'll need to enter a valid payment method. Step 6. Review the subscription details, including the trial period and when you'll be charged. Click Subscribe or Continue to finalize your registration. Step 7. Once your subscription is confirmed, start exploring the content library. You can browse by category, search for specific shows, or check out recommended content. Step 8. Set up profiles for different family members if desired. This allows everyone to have personalized recommendations and watch history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.